Ready to ditch those monthly YouTube TV bills? Canceling your YouTube TV subscription on your iPhone or Android is super easy, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. First, open the YouTube TV app on your iPhone or Android device and tap on your profile picture. It's usually located in the top right corner of the screen. In the menu that pops up, find and select Settings. This will take you to your account settings. Now, look for the membership option and tap on it. This section manages your YouTube TV subscription details. Next, you should see a cancel button. Tap on it. YouTube TV might try to tempt you to stay with a special offer or ask for feedback. Follow the prompts, selecting a reason for canceling if you wish, and then confirm your cancellation by tapping Cancel YouTube TV. You should then see a confirmation screen indicating that your subscription has been successfully canceled, also noting until when you have access, and that's it. You've successfully canceled your YouTube TV subscription. Be sure to cancel any other subscriptions you don't want.